Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lela. I am having such a blast being back. I want to thank you guys so much for watching my previous videos, including the ones I posted 2 years back. Guys, you're such darlings, and I really appreciate you. So, and for all those that are subscribed, thank you. All those that like my videos, thank you for keeping up with me with the madness. And to answer a question, thank you for all the DMs, all the feature requests. So I'm gonna be lining all those ones up, and we're getting there. We're getting there. We're gonna have some of you in my kitchen. So guys, to answer a question, I was asked why I cannot be seen in my videos like I used to before. Well, short story is I no longer have a camera holder. I used to have a tripod stand, but not anymore. And I no longer have someone to help me hold the camera in the kitchen. So it's just me, myself, and I. And we gotta do what we gotta do with what we got. I knew I was gonna do something embarrassing, so we've gotten that out of the way. So guys, today, being a Friday, I said we're gonna be making something chilled, laid back. So we're gonna be making pancakes. Something you can enjoy with your family, with your friends. And yeah, and along the way, I may be telling you a few things about me, one, two, you never know. So before I say anything else embarrassing, let's just get to the video. So guys, we'll be using self-raising flour. I'm using eggs. This is around 400 grams. We're using Prestige margarine original, but any margarine should work just fine. A little bit of cooking oil, some sugar, and 2 eggs. Guys, remember my portions of ingredients is because it's just for one person, so you can double, triple, quadruple depending on how many people you're serving. So for the utensils, I don't have a big bowl, so I'll be mixing in this sufuria, and I prefer using a wooden spoon so as not to leave a lot of scratches on your sufuria. And we're going to need another small bowl because we're going to separate the egg white from the egg yolk, and you'll need a spoon and a fork. I prefer beating the egg white with a fork as opposed to a spoon. And yeah, that's it. So I tried splitting my egg white from my egg yolk, but I had some difficulty, so I ended up using the whole egg. So just beat your egg until it becomes slightly foamy. That's when you know it's ready. And in your big bowl, you're going to mix up your sugar and margarine. I was using 1 spoon of each. Just mix them up until they become cream white. That's when you know it's ready. Then you'll go in and add your flour. I started with 4 spoonful of flour. Mixed them up with my margarine and sugar. Then later added 3 more spoons and mixed them up. Then your eggs, you just beat them a little bit before you add them into the dry ingredients. Make sort of like a hole in the middle of your sufuria or bowl, and then just mix up from the center. I added a little bit of water, but you can substitute with milk. You use milk, and then just mix them up. Mix your ingredients starting from the center going out. That reduces the chances of you having lumps. As you can see, my ingredient is very smooth. It has a very nice texture. And then after it's well mixed, go in and add your oil. I used 1.5 spoonful. So just gradually mix it up and add up everything slowly. Just yeah. So as you can see, my mixture looks kind of molten. It's not too liquid and it's also not too hard because you're not baking. So yeah, just get a really nice consistency, especially if you use the motion I'm telling you guys. It works magic. It really does. So yeah, now you're ready to cook. So just add a little bit of oil to your pan. I'm adding oil for the first pancake because my pan was very dry. I just washed it. But if your pan has a little bit of oil, maybe you had made eggs or something, you don't need to put oil. We're just putting oil for the first one. As you can see guys, I made the first pancake. Typical Kenyan, we eat the first thing that comes out of a pan. So as you can just see, I'm just showing you slightly my eating progress. And it was so nice. By the way, these pancakes turned out very, very amazing. I love the taste. The sugar for me was enough. It was just perfect. Again, too much sugar is not good for you. So yeah, it's just, and that's it. Your pancakes are ready. It's just that simple. From the portion of my ingredients, I ended up with 4 pancakes, which are enough for me. I'll just have a few right now, and then a few the remaining in the morning. So yeah, and you're done. It is just that simple. Cook both sides for 2 to 3 minutes on medium heat, but always remember to just check just in case so they don't burn. And guys, this is how beautiful they look. Amazing. I'm not blowing my, okay, I am, but amazing. This looks really, really good, and it's also simple. And guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. So you have gone to the end of the video. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you for your love. I feel it all the way where I am. So thank you so much for watching the video throughout and keeping up with the madness. I really, really appreciate you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. So, and guys, our new mantra for the rest of our lives, my life: slow progress is better than no progress. So see you on Tuesday. Bye.